Okay, I'm Richard B. Garcia. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Richard B. Garcia 619. Welcome to my sports channel, Sports Break and Unboxing. Today, we're going to be doing one hobby box, a 2025 Topps update. I finally took me about 1 week or two. It took me a week to get my hands on a hobby box. And look at this. Look what just came in. I have four blaster boxes of update 2. But we're going to be doing these on a separate video. First, we're going to be doing the hobby box for now. So before we do, I'm going to take a moment of silence in the passing of Randy Jones, my San Diego Padres legend here. I knew him on Facebook, and I knew him as a friend in person. So we're going to take a moment we're going to take a moment of silence here. Okay, that's the moment of silence. But after before he passed away, I was lucky to meet him, and these were all of his cards right here. They're all signed. So now we are now going to be doing a 2025 Topps update. Here we go. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. See what the setup looks like. This is going to be the Mojo, the Silver Chrome is going to be put last right there. So let's take these cards out. And now I think there's 20 packs in here. And here we go. And let the games begin. Off to pack number 1. Let's see what we got for pack number 1. We're gonna do is we're gonna do one stack at a time. Now, the retail is gonna have stars of the MLB, but the hobby won't have it. Now, will there be I hope I get it. That'd be nice if I got an extra hit. Looks like there's a rainbow foil in the back. Now keep in mind that Drake Baldwin will be in this rookie set. Here's a okay. Brooks Lee is gonna. I see a Brooks Lee. Now you're gonna see rookie debut cards too. So. Oh, I see a sorry, I'm taking a long time opening all the packs up. I should have opened the packs up and put the cards in the stack and then start the video. That's what I should have done. That's what I should have done. Now, there is an Agustin Ramirez card we're talking about right here. That he's another rookie to chase. All right, here we go. Let the games begin, shall we? What happens if I don't get an autograph? If there's no autograph or a relic in here, then I'm gonna be upset. Okay, we'll start off with the good pile. Starts off with Ben Rice. We're gonna separate my rookie cards: Jackson Jobe, Dylan Cruz. Okay, we got a Riley Green. So let's put this right over here. And I'm going to put the inserts right here. We're going to do the inserts. We're going to do the inserts, common rookies, good pile, and here we go. Another Brooks Lee. Christian Campbell. It's a lot of rookies, so there's a lot of rookies. Got a Matt Shaw. Got a Cade Horton. Okay, so these are going to be your 1990 foils that I also... All right. Okay. Devers in his Giants uniform. Okay, got another one of those, and we have... got Judge. I'll put that one as a good pile here. Matt Shaw, Kobe Mayonnaise, Drake Baldwin, Marcelo Mayor, Rookie Rasaki. Okay, Bleacher Reachers is going to go right over here. Randy Rosarina on the All-Star game. Okay, Kumar Rocker. Dalton Rushing. Another. Sometimes you can get doubles too. Jason Hayward in his Padres uniform. I think he got cut. He got cut a long time ago by the team. Oops, sorry about that. I keep getting. Sorry about that. Kyle Hashioka. Christian Campbell, true rookie card. Fernando Tatis. That's going to be with a Machado. Now the rookie debuts are going to be are not as much as the true rookies, and we got a Ronald Acuna Jr. and these are going to be called. These are I don't think these are called. They're called the Night Terrors. And that's what they're called on the inserts. So we'll put the inserts right there. All right, let's see what this is right here. Oh, I just saw the hit. So looks like that's not. Jose Iglesias. Can I get a numbered card? And this is. Zach Veen. Okay, we'll put that. That's got J-Rod right. That's got a Rosarina and Julio Rodriguez right here. Please focus. Okay. So, okay, this is gonna be the Soderstrom. That's not the relic I want to get. I wish that was either a Nick Kurtz. I wish that was a Nick Kurtz or a Max Muncy or a Jacob Wilson. Be nice to get that. You do get doubles of the same card. Like for example, I got another J-Rod right here. Lou Gehrig on the 1990 foil. Cam Smith, rookie card. Another J-Rod. I wonder what the collation looks like on these here. Okay, Matt Shaw. You got Matt Shaw. Yeah, you got Matt Shaw and Dansby Swanson. Got a Kyle Schwarber. And it's going to be one of those, whatchamacallit, All-Star games. Now, somebody told me, please check your All-Star game foils, because, so, is it possible getting a second hit? Normally you get one autograph or one relic card out of there. Roki Wasaki, and that's going to be your Topps Gold. You got two Padres right there, Estrada. I've seen a lot of doubles and triples here. And we got a blue right here, and it's going to be numbered to 150. It's going to be Rowdy Tellez on the blue. Moises Ballesteros, true rookie card. That's Zach Veen. You got a Hyun-Sung Kim 1990 right here. And here we go, Elly De La Cruz along with the 1990. It looks like we're not going to get Robert Hassel. I'd like to see Dalton Rushing, Wrong Oakland Athletic. I wish that was a Nick Hertz or a Jacob Wilson. I mean, Nick Hertz is probably the one you need to go after. Yorvit Rivas. We have our first Topps Gold right here. It's coming up. Okay, but it's not. Torso Ornelas. Mickey Mantle, Bobby Witt Jr. on the 1990. Last card's in my hand here. Bregman on the 9th. Okay, so Bregman on the pink. And it's no numbered here. Looks like I'm not going to see a Nick Hertz. Okay, we got one of these inserts. First pitch. So anyway, now we're gonna go. We are now going to go to. We're gonna go to the 1990 Silver Chrome pack here. Let's see what we got out of here. Logan Henderson, Lawrence Butler, Jackson Chourio, James Wood on the Chrome. That will end it. It's not numbered or anything. Let's see if any of these cards are numbered. So here's Logan Henderson, Lawrence Butler, Jackson Chourio, and James Wood. So anyway, that will do it for my 2025 Topps updates for baseball for today. So if you like what you see, please like my videos, please comment, and everyone, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I try to now this time. I already got 400 subscribers, so I'm going to be pushing for 500 subscribers by the end of 2026. I'm Richard P. Garcia at Richard P. Garcia 619. I will be logging out. I will see you this day, everyone. See you later.